Imagine you just landed your dream job at a top financial firm. The thrill of walking into a high rise office, analyzing stocks, making market predictions, and influencing the major investment decisions. But then, bam, you are told that you don't have that one certification that makes you eligible for the role. Just like that, the opportunity slips away. This is not a hypothetical situation, it's real and it is happening now. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, has just dropped the game changing update that directly affects your careers in finance. If you're an MBA student or planning to pursue one, listen carefully because what I'm about to tell you could be the difference between securing a high paying job and being left behind. SEBI now mandates that every employee in the financial research firm must have NISM Research Analyst certification. This means that if you want to work in financial research or sales, this certification is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Without it, firms won't even consider you for the job. Commodity Samachar Securities Private Limited, a leading financial research firm in the market, has taken this rule a step further. They have made it clear that they will only recruit the MBA students who has cleared NISM Research Analyst certification. Yes, for both sales and research trainees. This certification is non-negotiable. So what does this mean for you? Simple. If you dream of making it big in the financial world, you need to act now. Getting certified isn't just about meeting requirements. It is about proving that you are industry ready. The NISM Research Analyst exam is one of the most respected certifications in finance. It equips you with the crucial knowledge in securities analysis, market operations, and research methodologies, skills that top companies look for when hiring. Without it, you are missing out on some of the best career opportunities. And it doesn't stop there. Here's a list of financial certifications that can skyrocket your employability in the finance sector. NISM Research Analyst Exam, NISM Common Derivative Exam, Mutual Fund Distributor Exam, NISM Merchant Banking Examination, NISM Investment Advisor both levels, NISM Portfolio Management Services, NISM Compliances. Now, I know what you are thinking. How do I prepare for these exams? This is where it gets better because Commodity Samachar is stepping up to help students like you with an exclusive eye-opener program. This isn't just another seminar. It is an insider's guide to the financial markets. You will learn from industry experts, understand market strategies, and get to know how top firms hires. This is your chance to stand out in competitive finance industry. The job market is evolving and so should you. If you are serious about a career in finance, take action now. Get the right certifications, gain the right skills, and secure your future now. Want to know more about how to prepare? Reach out to Commodity Samachar team right away. Don't wait until it's too late. The financial world is moving fast. Are you ready to keep up? To know more about the preparations for the certification and the eye-opener program that Commodity Samachar is organizing, feel free to reach out to Commodity Samachar Securities team. Thank you for your attention.